Hi property viewers, welcome to another property tour. Today we're in the Sunshine City of Portmore in the parish of St. Catherine, and we will be looking at this lovely 80,000 square feet property that is on the market for lease. Now the asking price is $20 per square foot per annum, and the maintenance fee is $6.50 per square foot per annum. Now this property is located in a special economic zone that is ideal for the BPO sector. Now property viewers, if you are interested in this property, give me a call. My contact information will be in the description box. You may also contact my colleague, Dixon. His contact information will also be in the description box as well as at the end of this video. Now guys, if you are interested in selling or leasing a property that you have and you want to give it the exposure that it needs, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to list this property for you. Now guys, before we get into this tour, remember to use the link in our description box to sign up with Epidemic Sounds. And also remember to like this video, leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel. Now let's take a look at this lovely property. So property viewers, if you're not familiar with where I'm at, let me tell you where I'm located at this time. So I'm just off two major highways, and in this vicinity you'll find a number of financial institutions. There are also a number of shopping malls. Now just beside me is the Hungway Shopping Mall, and across the road you'll find Price Mart, Fontana Pharmacy and Starbucks, and a whole lot more. Now let's bring it closer to home. Here, I just wanted to pause and take a look at this complex. Look how beautiful these buildings are. They are spectacular. Now, on the market for rent is this one. Look how majestic this building is. It is absolutely stunning. I love the symmetry that it has. Now here we have 186 parking spaces, and property viewers, the building itself offers 3 levels, and as I said earlier, it also offers 80,000 square feet of usable space across the 3 levels. Now guys, I want us to just take in this beauty, and then I want us to go inside and take a look. So guys, approaching the front door, you'll see that we have these columns here. We have this foyer, and you can take a look. We have recessed lights, they're already installed. And just take a look at the green spaces that we have here. I love that we have these palm trees coming. Can you just imagine when these palm trees are fully matured and they're just green and tall and lush in this space. You can see we have the interlocking bricks here as well, and the glass finish is something really special. Now we have our double doors here, and another pair is right here. Let's go inside. So property viewers, we're now on the inside and we have a grand entry. To my left and my right, you'll see that we have an area for indoor gardening. Absolutely love that. Now, what I also love is this space. Once I look up, I can see the 2 levels above me, and I really like that detail. Now, I want to point out the symmetry once more. We spoke of it while we were outside, but while we're inside, you can see it just the same. Now, to my left and my right, you'll realize that we have restroom facilities, the elevators, as well as staircase. So let's go here and take a look at the restroom. Now, property viewers, we have a total of 98 wash sinks and 98 toilets, as well as 18 urinals. Now, here is one restroom facility. Come on inside with me. You'll see that we have the Galaxy Quartz countertop. We have running water at the moment, which is really good, and it has good power as well. So we have a number of sinks here. You can see that the floor is already tiled. The backsplash is already installed. Here you can see that the urinals are installed as well. The partitions are up. And to my left, you'll see that the cubicles are built out. The finish is very clean and sleek. If you take a look above, you'll see that we have the recessed lights. They're already installed, as well as the air vent is also there. So this is the male restroom, and just beside is the female restroom. Once again, we have the Galaxy Quartz countertop, with right here I'm seeing all of 8 sinks, and a number of cubicles are here as well. The finishes are really, really nice. And you can see just as across in the male restroom that all the building out is already done. I love that detail. And take a look at this door. Solid door. Now, property viewers, let's go and take a look in this area. Now, as I said before, just across the room, there's another restroom facility and the elevator and the staircase. Now, to my right, this is an area that can be used as an office, or you can choose to use it as a dining area. We already have some plumbing here, so you can choose what you want to do with this space. You can see that we have really high ceilings inside here, and I want to point out to you, property viewers, that these ceilings are approximately 15 feet high, and that helps with ventilation. I love that. So even after you install your drop ceiling or whatever design you want to put in, you will still have a high ceiling. So you can see that we have multiple windows cladding the walls, and I want to point out to you that to the extreme back of the building, to my left is the emergency exit. You can also see straight ahead a shutter door that helps with offloading, and to my right, to the extreme back, is the utility room. Let's head upstairs. So guys, you can see that the floor is not yet finished. You get the option to choose your finish for the floor, whether you want to use porcelain floor tiles throughout this entire space. That's up to you. It's a lovely open floor plan, so I do believe some really nice porcelain would be lovely throughout. Look at this. I'm enjoying the sun from here. It's absolutely stunning. The view is beautiful even at this level, and the sun just comes right in. I love that. So now we're on the first floor, and just like downstairs, we have the symmetry that continues. We have the elevator here, as well as across from us there, and right here we have our restroom facilities. I love the fact that we have this lovely view here. This is a masterpiece. This is a statement piece. This is lovely. And from this level, you can look downstairs and see what is happening down there. Now you can see once more that here we have our restroom facilities, as well as the elevator and the staircase, and all of this space down here is for you to utilize for your business. Let's go and take a look at the back. So here, property viewers, we have the utility room, and I want to show you how spacious it is. This is a lot of space to work with, and once again, high ceilings throughout the entire space. Now, just across from the utility room is the staircase that can take you upstairs or downstairs. And just take a look at this landing. Take a look at this space. This is a lot of space to utilize however you wish. Now, this door gives you access once again to the main level. All right, so now we are going upstairs. And I love that we have these iron rails. I love that. So guys, you can see that this property is contemporarily designed, and I love the amount of windows that flows throughout the unit. Once again, we have a large landing, and you can access the level via this door or this one here to my left. So I'm sure you know already that across from me here is the utility room, and straight ahead to the front you'll find the restroom to my left and my right, as well as the staircase and the 2 elevators. So once more, we have all of this space, and I can see operations being done throughout this building, and I do believe that it is ideal for somebody in the BPO sector. Let's head on upstairs and take a look at the rooftop terrace. So guys, we're on the rooftop terrace, and once again we have this spacious landing, but I'm already enjoying the wind that's coming in from this door. Now we can access the terrace via this door or the one to my right, but come this way with me. Look at this, Sunshine City. Look at the mountains there. Absolutely lovely. We can see Kingston from here. And come this side, you'll see that we have a lot of space. This is perfect for an entertainment area. This is perfect for a lounge area. All of this space is just magnificent. It's very cool and nice up here, peaceful. Come and take a look at the view from this angle. And property viewers, you want to know what is true as well? The elevators, they come all the way up to this level. You can also access the staircase from this level as well. Both exits, both sides. Love that. Come over. You can see the Hungway shopping mall to my left, and just take a look at this. Stunning. This is a really nice chill spot. You can see the residential areas that surrounds this lovely building. You can also see the commercial hubs that are here. Absolutely lovely. Also the roadways, really lovely. This is ideal for a BPO. If you're interested, give me a call. You can also contact my colleague, David Dixon. Our contact information will be at the end of this video, as well as in the description box. Now I want to remind you, if you're interested in selling a property or leasing a property, give me a call. I'll be able to give their property the exposure that it needs. Now property viewers, before you go, remember to like this video, leave us a comment, and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next property tour. Bye.